On the behalf of the M&A management team and all the assembly personnel assembled here today, I would like to welcome you to the official opening of the Jendamark Assembly Hall. It's really an honor to have you here today to celebrate this new beginning for the assembly division at Jendamark. It's been quite a journey to get here to where we're standing today, none of which would have been possible with the support and motivation from our directors as well as our management team, and also without all the hard work that the dedicated employees have done over the last couple of months to turn a not so nice building, I think, into a really nice building. So please give them a hand of applause. What it's all about is you guys in front of me, the assembly team. Thank you so much for your hard work and dedication over the last couple of months. It's really been a dream come true, I think, for a lot of us to see what has actually happened here. Thank you for your openness also to adapt to change. I know a lot of people are against change, but you guys have really embraced it. You've made this your own facility, and what you're seeing here is what you guys created, obviously with a lot of help, but you were the core of all of this is what happened. So thank you so much. This is your new home, and each and every one of you will play a vital role in the success of Jendamark, and specifically in the success of the assembly process at Jendamark Automation. Give yourself a huge hand of applause, please. A couple of words that came to mind when I thought about you guys as a team, and passion is one of them. May the passion drive you guys to work hard and to reach that success level and to push Jendamark past the normal of what everybody's expect. We want to excel, excellence. That's what you guys need to strive for, and that's what I know you guys are striving for. So stay on that track and respect. Treat each and every one of you with respect, with mutual respect. Accountability. Keep each and every one of you accountable to reach that success. As a team, we can achieve it, and I don't doubt it for a second.